Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 62 Cliffside Drive on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is the ultimate Bristol Harbor condo with breathtaking views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is a mint-condition condo updated to perfection with exceptional open living. Featuring a great room with a granite kitchen, beautiful wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a full-length breakfast bar that seats up to 10 people. Open to a dining area with crown molding and a fireplace. And a living area with a dry bar, all with pergo floors and a wall of windows with breathtaking views. This condo also features 2 spacious bedroom suites, both with updated full bathrooms, plus a laundry room and great storage. This full-length balcony has 2 entertaining areas with scenic views of Bear Hill and stunning southern exposure. Enjoy the lake lifestyle. Bristol Harbor Village offers a clubhouse featuring living and gathering space with adjacent tennis courts. Enjoy easy access to the private sand beach. Dock your boat at the harbor or even the available boat hoist. Situated on the west side of Canandaigua Lake, Bristol Harbor is minutes away from the city of Canandaigua.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 62 Cliffside Drive on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!